Okay, trick number 1 is throwing a knot. Looks like this. There we go. So that was a figure 8. You can do it with just a trefoil too. But you're swinging one end around the other to form a bite with twists in it, and then throwing the end through that resulting loop before it untwists. I think it's helpful to have the end that you're throwing lower so that you don't have to throw it that far to get through the loop. You can also twist one side to get it to kind of twist itself a little bit on its own. But again, swing around, throw the end through that hole. Okay. Next trick is taking the unknot and turning it into a knot. So you take the ends and bring one over the back of your forearm near the elbow, and then come back around where your fingers are. And so now you have two sides of the same hole. Go through the back one, further away from your hand, and come back through the other side. So you went in the back and out the front. And so now you have two loops around your hands, or around your wrists. And so the trick is going to be the hand that has been wrapping, so this one, is going to switch from holding the tip of the rope to the length of the rope on the other side of this loop. And so then as you flip the loops off your wrists, you're grabbing that part and letting go of this tip and letting it go through that loop. And that ties your knot. So again, it looks like this. Making the switch. There it is. And the last trick is tying a knot with one hand. And that looks, let's see, like this. There. So have the rope through the gap between your thumb and the gap between your pinky so that it comes out twice on the back side. You want maybe 6 to 10 inches on this back side coming through your thumb. And you're flipping your wrist down, kind of holding this pinky side up. You're gonna grab that rope that's hanging with in between these two fingers, and then just shake the loop off so that the end comes through. And there's the knot. So again, this rope is trailing out the back of my thumb, and you need to play with the length a little bit so that it doesn't flip, but it still comes through. But that is the knot.